here I have my Sailor Moon notebook. And as you can see, I have it right side up, obviously. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. In today's video, I will be showing you what's in my school bag that I've been carrying around this semester. So I hope you enjoy. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and like and comment. Check out my eBay, PO Box, all of that stuff, Instagram, all that down below after the video, or if you want to now, whatever. And don't forget to check out my other videos if you like this one. And anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and let's get started. Woo! Okay, let's get started on what's in my super cute kawaii school bag I've been using this semester. So this is my school bag. I got it online. It's super cute. If you remember my AnimeCon haul last September, I got this little Mama Goma sticker for free, and I didn't really know where to put them, so I went ahead and just comes with me to college every now and then. Well, every time I go to college. So yeah, I want to show you guys what's inside my school bag. I wanted to add more charms because this bag has a lot more room for charms. There's two places for like charms here and here, but I don't know what to put on it, so yeah. And then on the inside, we have all my notebooks and things. So starting off, here is my headphones I use for my sound class. They're just like sound editing headphones. They're kind of uncomfortable, not gonna lie. I'm still figuring out how to like edit sound and stuff, so yeah, there's that. And then I got my Rilakuma notebook, which I use for notes and stuff. Yeah, I got it at Daiso a while back. It's got Kurilakuma and Rilakuma, and it's super cute. I wish I had a Daiso near me. I'd buy tons of this super cute stuff. And then we got this notebook. I got a story on this notebook if I can get it. Okay. This notebook I used in high school quite a bit, actually. I used in high school, I've used in college. I've since ripped out many of the pages. I usually don't do that anymore, but I used to. And I love this notebook. You've probably seen in my other what's in my school bag videos, but yeah, don't let anyone tell you you're not a unicorn in Little Twin Stars. I made that myself. If you want to go check out how I made these, an old video up in the card there, go check it out. And I have my Kurilakuma folder. This is like my catch-all folder for like important papers or whatever. I took them out because I decided to film. So you can just see Kurilakuma and stuff. I don't know what I'm doing here. Kurilakuma is one of my favorite kawaii characters. So yeah, I have a lot of these other cute folders like this hanged up around my room. Here, I'll go ahead and show you right now. I got the exact one hanging here of this Kurilakuma folder. I got this one right here. And look on my door, I even got more. These one, and then I got this Mama Goma one, this Ryokuma one. So yeah, that's that. So yeah, that's that. And then in here, I have my Sailor Moon notebook. And as you can see, I have it right side up, obviously. So this is what it looks like. It has Sailor Moon and a little bow, and her's doing her thing. I love Sailor Moon. Recently, I've been really into Sailor Moon. I've been wanting to get more Sailor Moon merch. And then I put this beautiful quote on top, which makes total sense and is perfect. It is the most inspirational quote ever written, period. Forget Shakespeare, this is the best quote. Oh, I wish I could be a cat. Yes, that is the best quote. And yeah, this is actually, I made this notebook back in high school, but I have since added some decor to it. And made it look fabulous. So yeah. And then last but not least is my Pushing the Cat pencil bag. You've seen this in my How to Be Kawaii in School video. It just says, hi. I love this pencil bag. I love because it has the squares. I feel like the square or like grid look is very retro, or I use the word retro. I found out the word retro actually means something new that's supposed to look old. Like what could be retro is my little Bluetooth speaker here. Like this is a retro item, but I love the vintage look to it of the 80s. So yeah. And then inside are just many things like pretty little pins, pencils, highlighters, Disney Princess sticky notes that my cousin gave me, unicorn lip gloss, this pen. Oh, and the very important says Kuma never opened eraser because you know priorities. So yeah, oh my god, these match. How cute! I love zippers. You could like make a song with them. That's it. I'm coming for the music industry. I'm gonna be a musical star. Just kidding. Yeah, that's what's everything in my school bag. The rest is just glitter on the bottom of the bag. And it has a laptop pocket for when I need to take my laptop to college. So yeah, that's that. Anyway, on to the outro. I hope you enjoyed that super fun video. Please remember to hit that subscribe button down below. Check out my other videos if you want to. In the description box is my PO Box, my eBay, my Instagram, my Twitter if you want to check those out. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Love you guys. See you later. Bye!